Was he gonna leave us here? He was supposed to be showing his buy me a coffee. Yeah. Nah, I ain't even gonna show my buy me a coffee because we talked about spider pigs. Enough said, right? Go over there, visit your boy. Anyways, it is at Christmas times. They call it Begmas on YouTube because a lot of YouTubers be begging for donations. Like people ain't out spending money on their kids. Hey, shouts out to spending money on the kids because the kids got to eat too, right? I don't know what you're talking about. My kid been eating all year. Thank you. I'm one of them's. But y'all know, uh, to each their own, as they say. All right, put a little bit of wax in there. You know, I'm trying to be high today. Put a nice little amount in this one. Shit. What he say? Don't make it skinny. His brother Bear gonna look back on the replay, gang. Be like, oh, shit, don't be smoking skinny blunts. You got enough coming. Yeah, got enough coming. Shit, we got 11 different auto strains. We had a high germination rate, but not all of them made it through as far as the going straight into a final pot situation. But hey, that's why he sent plenty of testers. So we gonna run them. It ain't like when you gotta buy the seeds and you only pay for three. All three of them pop, but then none of the three make it. That would be that bullshit, right? Nah. This when you shop with a big homie, and he sent you enough because he knew some shit might just happen, and you don't want to just send exactly three to nobody. Plug better hook it up. Like Plug better have some expert knowledge on his side. Like here, I'm gonna just send you like 10, 15 of each, and then you done grew a couple of them, and then you actually got content and shit to go through. Because that was just the first round of things not working out, right? Right, now we rolled up though, so we finna be to our next phase quickly. I ain't trying to hold y'all up all day, although it is a YouTube article, so hell, the longer I go, the more views I should get. Shout out to being in the vertical algorithm, because the people that watch you will get you recommended. But anyways, we're going over here to the studios. Apparently that live the other day did give me a strike because I used some movie content. And I was trying because hell, the channel I seen it on YouTube used it. Why can't I? Apparently I get striked up, but they can show me the video and get it on their channel. Apparently, there'd be that funny shit like that. Like YouTube make it make sense. How is it legit for this channel, but not legit for me? And it's not like it's the movie channel. It was somebody's personal channel. So, shouts out to the YouTube movies because they do have those available for y'all over there. You can actually watch these movies instead of having me clip it for you. But hell, I do because I do it for my hood. That Chi Chi threw it back on the Nemesis replay, did some numbers. Shouts out to Chi Chi. Y'all know her throwing it back's what she do. Them highlights be popping too. Shout out to the highlights. Let's see. I'll show you some content information. I'm at 1357 though. Y'all see the numbers. We be putting in that work. Let's go down and look at some videos. See, that's the copyrighted part. But they still said I could play it, but this is not my money, so forget about it. Y'all see the views on these videos. They gonna go up because they all do. 40, 60. That one got 60 views on it. That video clapping. See, the highlight get more views than the actual live itself. Sometimes that's crazy. just